Hello, I am Kanchan, student of class 11th here with an art integration project on Manipur. Manipur is a state in the northeast India with the city of Imphal as the capital. Manipur is called a Jwell land because it is surrounded by 9 hills with an oval-shaped valley at the center. Manipur is located in the northeastern part of country bordered by Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram and Myanmar. Manipur became a princely state under the British rule in 1891. During the Second World War, Manipur was the scene of battle between Japanese and Allied forces. After the war, Maharaja Bodh signed a treaty of accession merging the kingdom into India. Let's see some heritage sites of Manipur: the Kangla Fort, INA Martyrs Memorial Complex, Red Hills, Manipur State Museum and Shahid Minar. Festivals that are celebrated in Manipur: Manipur Sangai, Ningola, Chokoba, Chomfa, Gang Nagai and Koot Festival. Some delicious delicacies of Manipur: Chamthong, Morak Methap, Paknam and Chakao Kheer. And in the end, now here are the ways to reach Manipur. You can go by airway or by railway. You can also prefer by roadway. Thank you.